Hi there, this is Aldea, and today I wanted to give you my May roundup of the month. So I have a few items to review, a few items that I hold. I don't have any declutter for this month because I actually went through my collection and I picked some products that I was on the fence of decluttering, like maybe I will, maybe I won't. Actually put it in a box, and I already filmed a video that I will post probably after this one to show you what's inside the box and what may be decluttered in a few weeks. And I don't have any empties, even though it's June right now when I'm filming it. It's beginning of June, and I have finished one product like on the first of the second or the second, so it will be in my June empties. So for and also the look that I'm wearing right now should already be up on my channel because it was my throwback Thursday. And I used my Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette. I wanted to do something like cheerful and springy, but oops, it didn't go as planned. But I really love it. Okay, so I will be quite quick. I will start with the haul. I did haul another Unearthly Cosmetics Menacing Metal. It's in the shade Piranha because I loved the two that I had. I had Ancient and Furry, which Furry is the one I'm wearing right now. Piranha looks like this. This is, wow, so beautiful. I already tried it twice, but it was in June, so you will have my thoughts about it next month. Then I bought the one Evocative Silk Blush from Singe because I really wanted to try the brand, and this shade is Persistent Persimmon. I thought it was very special and I really want to try it, so I haven't tried it yet and I'm really excited too. I also bought the Call of the Sirens palette from Gourmande Girls as soon as it was sneak peeked. I thought it was so beautiful, very well packaged, like you have all the, like, you know, these little things that protects the shimmers. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to try it. I haven't yet, but wow. I already know I love Gourmande Girls formula, but this color story, I had to. So you will see my review quite soon, I hope. And then I bought the whole collection from Glamlite in collaboration with Lord of the Rings. But I'm sorry, my eyes are watering. But I did the review, so it's in the haul and it's in the review part, which makes my transition to the review part. So I bought everything except the bag, so I have everything that's makeup. I will be quick because I just post the review. I will link it up here so you can watch a more detailed review, but overall I love everything. I really like this lip treatment kit. I didn't have a lip scrub. Love this. Really love the lip mask as well. I really like the highlighter. The packaging is top notch with everything. This highlighter could also be used as a eyeshadow. It's quite intense. If you want something subtle, this is not the one for you, but I think it's very special, and the packaging is so perfect. The lip liners, I'm gonna talk about them together because it's the same formula. They are not my favorite because I prefer creamier formula, and this one These ones are a little bit on the drier side. They are not dry per se, but like it's often the case with wooden lip liners, and this one are a little bit too dry for me because I'm often in a rush, so I need lip liners to be really quick to use, and this one are not quick, in my opinion. But I still like them. It's just not my favorite formula, and I love the colors of them. Then the lipstick, amazing packaging, like wow. Uh, Beautiful color as well. I find it very beautiful. Well, at least on my skin tone, I really like it. I enjoy the formula when I apply it. It is not the most long lasting, so it's something you will have to reapply. It will be even better with lip liner, of course, but yeah, if I have one bad thing to say about it, it's the longevity, but otherwise I really liked it. And the two glosses, these are both the same formula as well. Really like them. They are very thin, they don't stick at all, like they have quite a lip oil formula. Like on the lips, they feel like a lip oil, but they are not as um, nourishing as a lip oil. And they will not last that long, of course, because of their formula. And they will make what's underneath fade faster, of course, because it's a gloss. So yeah, you will have to keep that in mind. It is because of the formula something that we will have to reapply, of course. And finally, where, oh, okay, didn't find it. The eyeshadow palette, packaging 10 out of 10. This is so, so beautiful. I love it more than I thought I would, because when I saw it, it was actually the item I was the least excited about, and actually it's more versatile than I thought. It was the first time that I tried Glamlite, so all of these were my first impression of the brand, and I really liked the formula. Both these shades didn't stay that well on my sort of hooded, oily eyelids. But otherwise, I was really happy with the way it performed, and with the price, with the packaging, with the whole thing. I'm really glad I got everything. But still, my review is like my review video is more detailed, and I show you 5 looks, and you can find a sixth one in my first impression that I posted even before. And then I have the Dieverune Witch of the Wildflower palette, which looks like this. I'm not always, well, I'm most of the time not a 9 pen person, but this has topped every other 9 pen that I have, and this is, yeah, I think I can quite easily, without a lot of doubt, without any doubt actually, say that this is my favorite 9 pen in my whole collection. The, like, these colors are have, oh, sorry, they, she makes me lose my words. These colors are the ones that I love to pair together the most. I love to pair green with purple. I love to pair yellow with purple. I love to pair yellow with green. I really love this kind of green. I love all the shades, and the green with the pinks, and it's so beautiful. All of the shimmers are so beautiful, and they are really smartly chosen for this palette, because they really transform depending on what you put underneath. And like this, no, which one was it? I think it was this one. I put it on top of the purple, and another look I put it on top of the green. I think it was something like that, and it was incredible both times, but it really didn't look as it was the same shimmer. It's incredible, so well done, perfect formula. I love it. um, and I liked this formula more than I liked it in the Gloomy Gardens that I have as well, because I think this one is a little bit more pigmented, and I already loved the Gloomy Garden. So 10 out of 10, so perfect. I'm so glad I have it, and it has magnetic pens, so yeah. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Still, you can find my review that I will put up here. The last item that you can see a review on is the Arttitude Cosmetics Urban Neutrals palette. It's my second palette from the brand. I already had the Metamorph palette that I adore, and I wanted to try something, and some of my subscribers on Instagram advised me to try this one, and I'm so glad I did, because I like cool tones, but I find that they don't always look that good on me. But this, because it is muted, and muted tones are the one that goes the best on me, and I'm talking about cool tone as I'm talking about like warm tones. Even warm tones, if they are too like flashy, too bright, they don't look good on me. But as this is quite muted, it's so beautiful. We also have a quite warm tone there. You have a lot of dark option, a lot of mid-tone option, you have light tone options. All of the shimmers are so different from one another. They all make perfect sense in there. I love it. Really, Arttitude Cosmetics is really a brand that I'm gonna continue to watch, because I think all of their palettes are done very smartly because of all of these options that you get. And this is also a formula that I really trust. I really love the mattes, and the shimmers are so beautiful on the eyes, and for some reason they don't crease on my eyes, which is really rare. I have to say, it's really rare that I don't have a lot of brands. I love them either way because I'm used to it, but when they don't crease at all, like you know that's a good one to watch. And I think the price is quite fair as well. So a brand that really has come to be one of my favorites. And the last one, you didn't see any review of them. It's a lipstick that I bought. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. It's in the shade 90s pink. I already had one. It was in a matte formula, and I really loved the formula. So I wanted to try more. So this one is a cream formula. I really love this shade. I didn't expect to love this shade as much as I did, as I do, actually. Let me show you. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. It's pink, okay, but it's not really pink. Like, it's more of a I'm sorry, I'm so bad at this. It's muted. It's darker than most pinks. It's so wearable. I love this for the most part. The one thing that I don't like is I don't think the longevity is that good. I really love it when I apply it. It really, it's beautiful for like 2 hours, and then it fades really quickly, in my opinion. So it's a lipstick I will have to reapply a lot. Which kind of bothers me, because if I want to wear this at work, which is a color that I picked to be able to wear on an everyday basis, at work I can't stop my work to put on some more makeup. I don't have time for that. Sometimes I like don't even watch the clock from the moment I start to the lunch break. So yeah, yeah, I'm quite disappointed at that, but still I really love the formula. I like the way it feels on my lips. It's still really beautiful. I'm just bummed that it stays not that good. I'm still gonna use it, and maybe if I put lip liner like all over my lips underneath, it will be better. I don't know, but like it's a 50-50. um, so voila. I hope you enjoyed it. I was quite quick for this month because oh no no no! I forgot something. Oh my god! I have something else. I'm sorry. And it was just in front of me, but well, sorry. I finally bought the Singe eye brush set. I've wanted that. I've wanted it since it launched, but yeah, it was quite an investment. I can't like it's I already buy a lot of makeup and I cannot like spend that much every month. But yeah, uh, this month I did, and I'm so glad I did because I love it. I use it every day now. Um, my favorite one, oh, I love them all because this one, well, I used almost all of them for my look today actually. Um, they are so good quality, they are so soft, but really in a great quality way. Now, sometimes when I use other brushes that I have, I think they kind of hurt my eyes because these like are so soft. Um, and yeah, my favorite might be the ear one because it's perfect. It's perfect for shimmer and matte to pack on colors on uh, like smaller areas. This one, a big fluffy brush, always good to have. A smaller blending brush, so good to have a smaller one because, and I really do use this a lot. This one I love to pack darker shimmers or darker mattes actually, and you can really blend it, and I like to blend a little bit my shimmers as well, but it works so beautifully with mattes as well. Another blending brush, but it's quite pointed, so you can really go in the crease with it. So beautiful. A flat brush as well for shimmers, and the shape is really nice. And this last one is really great, like it's not round, you see. Yeah, you see. Really great to pack colors as well and still blending it. They are so smartly done, and well, I wasn't expecting less from Angeshka, but I'm still waiting for her to do something wrong, but I don't think she ever will. She always does wonders with her makeup and with Singe. And well, actually, I wanted to get the Agate Temptation, but unfortunately, it wasn't on this month launch on Monolith. So hopefully, I will get it for the month of June if my wallet allows it. So that's it. I thank you very much for watching it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe even subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one.